Deary, as I was coming back from work yesterday, we met rain. Oh, I thought that it was something that I would just do and stop, but look at that. It's just now that it started reducing, and oh God, I was not with any umbrella and I was carrying my little baby. This is the first time baby Kansi is experiencing this type of a thing. He was way too small when it rained last year. So just look at that. Look at that there. Oh my God, it was flooding, guys. It was flooding. We had to stay one place for some hours before we were able to see vehicle, but it wasn't funny. Look at that. I had to put my leg, but we just thank God we got home safely.